Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send empty messages to your friends in WhatsApp. Okay, so if I open this WhatsApp app on my phone, and suppose if I want to send empty message to this guy. Okay, so let me open that. And you can see there is no way to send empty message. I need to write something. After that I will be able to send to this guy. Okay, so you can see we are getting this send option only if I write something over here. Okay, so how we can send empty message to your friends. Okay, so in order to do that you have to go to the the Play Store and open it, and you have to do a search for empty messages. Okay, so here we have this empty messages app. Just tap on it and then tap on install button. As you can see guys, it's installing and it's done. Okay, so just tap on this open, and in order to send empty messages to your friends, just tap on this green button over here. Okay, and we are using the WhatsApp. Just tap on this button and you can see it's asking select app. I have two WhatsApp apps on my phone. Okay, so if you have only one, just select that. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, and it's asking me like select your friend. Okay, so I just want to send empty message to this guy. You can select any of your friend. I'm just selecting this one, and you can see we have over here green check mark. Okay, this button over here, just tap on this button and you can see we have got this this blank, okay, this message, and we have now this send button. Okay, so just tap on this send button and you can see this is the empty message. Okay, so let me show you. Let me go to my second WhatsApp. Open it and you can see guys, I received this. This is the empty message. Okay, so guys, in this way you can send empty messages to your friends in WhatsApp by using this empty messages app. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Bye bye.